Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Here's an in-depth essay on the Spain Immigration 2025 reforms that took effect May 20, 2025, covering updates on work visas, family permits, residency routes, and employee implications. Pushpin overview of the May 20, 2025 reform. Spain's government enacted Royal Decree 1155/2024, updating its immigration regulation to streamline procedures, reinforce foreigner rights, and align with EU standards. Staff training and public information campaigns were conducted nationwide leading up to implementation. Hammer and wrench simplified procedures and digitalization. 1. Online application support. Digital submission of materials has standardized requirements across regions. 2. Reduced bureaucracy, clearer guidelines and administrative streamlining for both work and residence permits. Man office worker work visas and permit flexibility. 1. Initial work permits, valid for 1 year, with renewals now extending to 4 years, up from 2. 2. Long-term residency cards, issued for 10 years to those over 30, previously 5, under 30 remains at 5 years. 3. Self-employment, work permit holders can now freelance alongside employment without a separate permit. 4. Intra-EU mobility, workers already in another EU state can temporarily work in Spain under the Van der Elst rule. Family man-woman-girl family reunification ease. 1. Dependents up to age 26 now eligible, up from 21, expanding scope for children in higher education. 2. Extended family coverage. Unregistered partners, parents, grandparents may reunite with less red tape. 3. New 5-year permit for non-EU spouses, dependent children, carers, etc., with immediate work rights. Graduation cap. Student visas and employment. Higher education students can now work up to 30 hours per week. Their permit covers the full degree duration without annual renewals. Language course visas. 1. Must be issued via consular route. Applicants must be 18 plus. 2. Limited to 1 extension. DIL, SILE proficiency required. 3. Cannot convert to work visa afterward. House updated. Arraigo routes, settlement permits. Previously 3-year eligibility thresholds were reduced to 2 years, enhancing accessibility. 5. Arraigo categories. 1. Socioliberal, work contract plus 2-year presence. No social integration report required. 2. Social, family, social ties plus minimal economic means. 3. Training based, new category compatible with education, training plus integration report. Students may work 30 h per week. 4. Second chance, for those whose permit expired within past 2 years. 5. Family based, for guardians, parents caring for minors or disabled relatives, renewal period reset. Closed lock protection for vulnerable immigrants, victims of gender-based violence, trafficking, or exploitation and their families now qualify for residence and work permits. Additionally, special provisions help those affected by the Valencia floods, granting 1-year residence, work permits to up to 25,000 affected immigrants. Upward trend. Economic impact and regularization. 1. Mass legalization efforts. In 2024-25, Spain regularized approximately 300,000 undocumented migrants per year to tackle labor shortages and support social security. 2. Economic gains. Immigration reform credited with helping Spain's GDP growth, plus 2.9% per capita, approximately 25% due to migrant labor. Check mark. What to know now as of July 2025. 1. Existing permits remain valid under current conditions. 2. New applicants, May 20th onward, benefit from simplified routes, faster renewals, and broader eligibility. 3. Employers face less red tape when hiring foreigners, aided by longer permits and family support. 4. Students in higher education gain work flexibility. Language students face tighter rules. 5. Arraigo routes now more accessible, with easier requirements after 2 years in Spain. Compass conclusion. Spain's May 20, 2025 immigration reform, under Road 1155/2024, represents a major transformation, balancing openness and efficiency. It offers stronger rights, streamlined visas, and simplified permanent status paths, supporting both migrants and businesses while bolstering economic growth. For individuals, explore the best pathway, be it employment, family ties, education, or second chance options. For employers, update HR practices to leverage longer term permits, easier work authorizations, and streamlined hiring. For students, if pursuing university studies, benefit from extended study, work options, but note stricter rules for language course visas. Thank you for watching this video.